to welcome you all and for the inaugural address. May I please request Mr. Tushar Jain, Organizing Chairman, NIMA MICE Forum 2023, to please join us on the podium.
Namaste and Sat Sri Akal. On behalf of the organizing committee, it is my pleasure to welcome you all for NIMA's MICE Forum 2023 in this auspicious city of Sri Vaheguruji. We are privileged to have with us today our chief guest, Mr. Gurjeet Singh Aujla, the Honorable Member of Parliament from Amritsar. It's due to the endless efforts and support of Mr. Aujla that the city of Amritsar has witnessed the enormous growth in tourism and aviation infrastructure. Thank you, Mr. Aujla, to be present today. We should have a big round of applause for him. We all have with us today our partners and friends from Russia who have specially flown to join us. We welcome Ms. Maya and her colleagues from Discover Moscow. We also extend our warm welcome to Mr. Raymond Lim, Area Director, Singapore Tourism Board, and his team. Singapore has always been a preferred MICE destination for Indians, and we are sure that India will remain a top source market for Singapore in years to come. Thanks, Mr. Lim, for all your support. The closest of all, our neighbor Nepal is participating in our forum for the first time. Nepal also has abundance of MICE resorts besides the vibrant casinos. We all know that, of course. More corporates are now showing interest in taking their MICE events to Nepal. We welcome the team from Nepal Tourism Board. You're most welcome, sir. Dekho Apna Desh, the ambitious vision of the Honorable Prime Minister. And what a better place than the beautiful state of Chhattisgarh. To begin with, NIMA has the privilege of hosting the first MICE Forum in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And believe me, it has some of the amazingly beautiful places that your clients will love and remember all their lives. We are delighted to have Mr. Anil Kumar Sahu, Managing Director, Chhattisgarh Tourism Board, with us today. Heartiest welcome, sir, to our NIMA MICE Forum 2023. We also welcome GRN Connect, Ebix Cash, Dubai Business Event, Russell Khema Tourism Board, and all our other valuable partners who pose trust in the vision of NIMA and supported our forum. Last but not the least, we welcome our members coming from across the country to be part of this annual flagship event. On behalf of the executive committee, we can reiterate that you can always expect more, much more from NIMA. During this MICE Forum, we all can expect constructive networking, productive business meeting, and lasting relationships. With this, once again, welcoming you all to this mega event. Thank you.